shillings due to counterfeit goods. This is according to the Anti-Counterfeit Authority of Kenya and Uganda's Anti-Counterfeit Network that had introduced an online platform dubbed Blip to allow customers upload pictures and descriptions of counterfeit products. Kenya's Anti-Counterfeit Executive Director Robi Mbogwa says digital platforms allows the public to use social media to identify and report fake goods.
In regard to the level of counterfeiting in the digital spaces, according to our statistics, 25% of those who purchased a counterfeit product in the last 6 months bought them through online platforms. That's a very important information to share. And 58% of counterfeit were bought online, were textiles, amounting to about 26%. We had also footwear and apparels, and a portion of it were about beauty products.
Currently, the people of Uganda, the people of Kenya are not participating enough in supporting efforts to fight counterfeits. Actually, we, the people of Uganda and Kenya, are giving the counterfeiters a market. You get that point? The reason why these guys are importing things into Kenya is because you and me buy. If we are not buying, they will not import. So, what we have realized is that we need to create a platform where we, the ordinary people, the consumers, can now report more directly